In this video, I'm going to go over how to create a section for our totals for each wing type. To begin with, we will find the last wing of straight and then the first of delta. And you'll notice that's here in my row 122 and 123. Row numbers really don't matter. The main thing is that all of your data is sorted. And, as I look at this, I notice that I have some swept forward wings in here with my other data. And so what I need to do, I need to sort all of this data. So we're going to click in this cell and we're going to go to data and we're going to go to sort range. Now, I do need to tell it that my data has a header row because that's my labels here. And then I want to sort by my wing types. So I'm going to say, what was your tested wing? I'm going to sort by that. So you can see I've now sorted by what was your tested wing. So when I do that, okay, now I have all of my wing types together and we're ready to differentiate or actually create a section in between for totals. So let's just make it a little bit easier to see. Let's start by left clicking and scrolling down from 107 to 122. In other words, I selected all of the rows with my delta wing. So to do that, you left click, hold your click down and drag down and then let go. Now we're going to change the color and let's go and change this color to orange. Now we'll go down to 123, which is where my elliptical wing starts. I'm going to left click, hold the click down. I'm not going to let go of my left click until I have all of the rows with my elliptical wing selected. So now we'll change this color. Let's go to this cyan. And then for the straight wing, I'm going to left click. I'm going to scroll all the way down and I'm going to let go. And I'm going to change this color to green. So now I have my wings differentiated by color. It'll make it a little bit easier for us to pick out, what's going on with the different wings. So let's click on the last cell here, and we're going to click Insert One Below. So I clicked on the last row, I should say, of my delta wing. That was a right click, by the way. It was a right click, and I clicked Insert One Below. And then I got this row of blank cells. I'm going to highlight these cells by left clicking and going all the way over to my flight 10. Very important that we stop with flight 10 and we do not go into the average column. So now that we have those selected, we'll click on this button that says Merge Cells, and then we can double click in here and we can type in Delta Wing Totals. And I do want to right justify it, so I'm going to find this button and justify my label to the right. Now I'm going to go down and do the same thing for my elliptical wing. I right click my last elliptical wing, insert one below. I'm going to select all of my cells over to the last one of the flight, and I go to the merge cell button, and then I can type in elliptical wing totals. And I'm going to justify it to the right. I'm going to do the same thing here for straight wing. Going to right click. I'm going to insert one below, and I'm going to highlight and merge and say straight wing totals. And we just have one more to do. Right click, insert one below, highlight them all, and merge. And we label it swept forward wing total.